Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on followed searches on your eBay app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that. Just go up, you will click here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you just go down here, then you click here on settings, and it's going to take you to settings window here, and you just click here on notifications, and you come to a notifications window here, then you just go down here, you keep going down, and you click here on followed searches, and you come to next window here, and you just come here to show notifications, you will click, and like you see this color show for us here on show notifications, so that's main saved searches or followed searches for custom sounds is on now. I wish know you I get it. That's all, just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.